Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Verge is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. So if you're new to the channel, I haven't changed too much the fibs, at least not on this one. So I'm using the high of May 22nd of 2019 to March 13th low. So that's how I'm coming up with this fibs, guys. So looking at this, the one good thing, I mean, if you got long a few days ago, when we retest the 200-day moving average and close above 0.006, and then you got a really good entry. RSI is looking bullish, which is always a good thing, and it looks like we're having a big struggle breaking the 50% retracement. So let's see, guys. Let's look at the weekly chart, see what's telling us right now. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always said, hey, make sure you train somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the planet how to make shackles in the crypto market. So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So looking at the weekly chart, guys, this looks like a funky inverted head and shoulders. So we do have a lot of potential here, Verge. So we got a shoulder head and a crappy shoulder. Yeah, that looks like a crappy shoulder. So that will put us, if we measure, this will be the neckline. So that will put us at about, so this previous high here, so 0.012. So this one actually, looks decent for an inverted head and shoulder. It's a crappy one, but it looks like it has a lot of potential to get there. And look at this. Last week, the previous week, we closed below the 50% retracement. This last week, we went all the way down to almost a 20-day moving average on a weekly chart. We pierced the 38% retracement, and we pulled all the way back above the 50% retracement. So that is always a really good sign. This week is looking okay, but literally the week just started, so you can't expect much. So this looks like a lot of potential to make some shackles here. Let's look at the monthly chart, guys. Let's see. The monthly chart, I mean the month, we're halfway through the month, so last month looked good. Actually last month, technically, this is a morning star. Morning star is very bullish, so this is another reason why this looks good. Yeah, this is a morning star all day long. We're basically at the bottom of everything. And now we're, for the month, yeah, so this is looking good. So let's just go back to the weekly again. Let's check this out even more. So, by the way, guys, you guys requested a private chat we deliver. It's called easycryptopro.com. Go and check it out. We created a light version and a pro version. The light version is technical analysis. The pro version is more than just technical analysis. I get to hold your hand at all times. If you have any questions, I'll answer. And as I post my setups as they happen, sometimes kind of like when I get long while I'm not watching, but making the video. So just keep that in mind, guys. easycryptopro.com. Go and check out my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca. Hit that follow and go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro. So that being said, guys, so Verge is looking good, and the daily, see, we're struggling the 50% retracement, but even then, it looks like we're just need a little bit of a push for this to get bullish. Let's just zoom out a little bit. let's see. If we draw some fibs from the low of October 30th of 2020, so this high, yep, out about there. So yeah, again, we have that 50% retracement. So this 0.006, 0.007, very, very, a lot of trouble at that level, basically, what I'm trying to say here. So, but even then, it still looks good. Let's just take this fibs off and let's just draw some risk to reward here. See what the risk to reward is telling me. If we were to go along there, and if you were to go there, I mean, even risk to reward, even if you do somewhat of a wide risk to reward all the way to 0.006, you're still in good shape with the target of 0.01. So Verge is looking good. If I was to do anything, I would actually I would place my stops very tight. So basically, kind of like the previous low, at about there. The previous low, and then and then once we get past this level, so 0.0075 or so, then I would probably move my stops to break even, just to kind of move some risk off the table. Like I said, guys, we are bullish, but we're not out of the woods yet. So you just have to keep that in mind when you're placing positions. And when you're placing positions, make sure that you are not leveraging yourself to death, because you never know. I mean, as soon as we lose our ammo, and then those shackles is our ammo, then we are out of luck. So just keep that in mind, guys. So Verge, very bullish. So if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.